power method, find the dominant or largest eigenvalue and eigenvector of a matrix capital A equal to 3, minus 5, minus 2, 4, and also the other eigenvalues also. Solution. So first step, what we have to do is, we have to choose the initial eigenvector. So the initial eigenvector may be 1 1 for a 2 by 2 matrix, 1 1 or 1 0 or 0 1. These are the three such possibilities. Here I am going to take the initial vector as 1 1. It is our convenient. We can choose any one of three, either 1 1, 1 0, 0 1. These are the three possibilities for a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, now we move to the problem solution. Right, so let y1 equal to, we have to compute y1. The value is a x naught, a into x naught. So a into x naught, a value we know 3, minus 5, minus 2, 4, 1, 1. This is x naught. Okay, now we multiply these two matrices. So 3 into 1 minus 5 into 1. So 3 minus 5 minus 2. We have got the first value is minus 2. Then minus 2 plus 4 we will get plus 2. Now we have to identify the maximum value of this matrix. That is, in the column vector, 2 is the maximum value. Or even though suppose if you have a negative value, by finding the modulus, then it is bigger, means that only we have to take it out. So here 2 or minus 2, modulus of minus 2 is 2 only. Modulus of minus 2 is 2. So here also we have 2. So we can take 2 common. So we will get the matrix minus 1, 1. So 2 into minus 1, 1. Now we take 2 into x1. The x1 matrix is minus 1, 1. Okay. Now we compute y2. y2 is a into x1. Now the same matrix A, 3 minus 5 minus 2 4 and minus 1 1. Now what we will get is, by multiplying these two matrix, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, minus 5 into 1 minus 5. So minus 3 minus 5 will get minus 8. Then for the second row, minus 2 minus 1, 4 plus 4 into 1. So minus 2 minus 1 will get plus 2 plus 4 into 1, 4. So 2 plus 4 will get 6. So minus 8 plus 6. We have minus 8 plus 6, but finding the modulus of minus 8 we will get 8. So the maximum value is 8. So that means the minus 8 we have to take it out. That is what our next idea. So minus 8 into, by taking minus 8 out, then 1 will be left over for the first row, first column. And then second one, 6 by minus 8. 6 by minus 8 will get minus 3 by 4. That is minus 0.75. 3 by 4 value is minus 0.75. Now we have minus 8 into x2. Now the x2 value is 1 minus 0.75. Now look at the matrix x2 and x1. These two are different. So therefore we have to proceed next. Now we know x2. We have to compute y3. Okay? Right. Okay. So y3 equal to a into x2. y3 equal to a into x2. Now we compute 3 minus 5 minus 2, 4 and 1 minus 0.75. We multiply these two, what we will get is 6.75, and the next one is minus 5. Now the maximum value is 6.75, that we can take it out. Now 6.75 into 1, the next value is minus 5 by 6.75, we will get the value minus 0.7407. Now 6.75 into x3 we have. Now next we have to find out y4. y4 equal to a x3. We multiply 3 minus 5 minus 2 4. 1 minus 0.7407 equal to, we will get the value 6.705 minus 4.9628. Now by finding the modulus, 6.7035 is the maximum one. So that we take it out, 6.7035. So first value will get 1. The second value is minus 4.9628 divided by 6.7035. So minus 0.7407, we are getting the same value. Now this is equal to 6.7035 into x4. Now look at the matrix x3 and x4. These two matrices are equal. Therefore, we stop the process. Okay. So here x3 equal to x4 and minus 0.7407. Therefore, the largest eigenvalue is 6.7035 and its corresponding eigenvector, the same vector 1 minus 0.7407. Okay. Let lambda 1 equal to 6.7035. By using the property sum of the eigenvalues equal to sum of the diagonal elements. So from this we assume lambda 1 equal to 6.7035 and lambda 2 we have to find out. Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 equal to 3 plus 4. We will get 6.7035 plus lambda 2, which is equal to 7. So from this lambda 2 equal to 0.2945. So therefore the other eigenvalue is 0.2945. That's it. Thank you.